Hey there, hey there. Oh yeah, I'm slowing down frames per second. Okay guys, let's turn the light switch on. So, yeah, it's one of those normal light switches. As you guys can see, the mirror is a little bit hand dusty there. And of course, this is me. So, this is me, guys. I'm not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna hold it like this. So, guys, that's that. Basically, guys. So yeah, that's that. I'm not gonna move around so much. I'm wearing Lego Batman, as you guys can see right there. Okay, yeah. So I got two things new. I got one, this tripod I got from Amazon UK, and this tripod actually, my shadow, bruh. This thing actually has this metal clip things, as the other one I used, it didn't. So the other one was like my first ever big tripod. I did have another tripod, but that was a small one for my GoPro that you guys didn't even recognise I have. So I have this PSP, and that's just the phone adapter for my iPhone. That's the PS4 controller, Xbox 360 controller, which is, well, another Xbox 360 controller, which is one of those shiny ones. And then if it's like blurry, check guys, if your Xbox 360 controller is not like mirror, it's not like a mirror, like a really shiny mirror like this. If it's like this, it's an old one. Plus, check the bottom of the controller. It might be, if it's an older, it might have the grey. And also same with the black one too. Check yours. You might have the same one. Only if you have the Xbox 360. I also use Sony as well. Xbox is from Microsoft. And it was an Xbox 360. I always use it. And this one. This is the Sony PS4 controller, the DualShock 4. So I like the DualShock 4. It's the best controller. It's the best controller ever. I would recommend it, but anyways. So let's do the review on the main thing, which is this Henry. So let's read it over again. Oh yeah, you can see right there. I mean, only if you use big pneumatics, and if you're used to the big pneumatics, then you shouldn't do that. But I did have another Henry, and I don't think it came with the box. Some parts were missing, but I did get it off like some website. I forgot what website it was, like eBay or something. So this one is the one you shouldn't do. This is an X there, and if there's a tick there, you should raise it a little bit so it has even more suction, because it doesn't have a really powerful motor, like doesn't like suck like right through the floor, and also hard floor. It doesn't have those settings in it. So I mean it's made in China anyways. I mean lots of things. Oh, and the box has damage marks. That's horrible. That's not good. Alright, so then it says new powerful motor. I can't see properly. I need a tripod for this. Yeah. It says new powerful motor. Add crevice tool. Improve vacuum performance. The perfect little companion for your desktop. Henry is always there when you need a friend to help tidy up. Fear not the rising tide of dust and crumbs for Henry, a true icon of domestic life, is here to take the bad things away with a smile. Yes, a smile like this. He's like, ooh. You see, smiling. He's sucking it all up his nose right there. So that all that booger dirt would be turned into the dust. So Hopefully I made you guys laugh. Because if I didn't, hey ho, I mean, still, anyways, this is a desk vacuum. It's a desk hoover. Desk vacuum and hoover. A lot of people have this, well, not this, but they have the 2008 Henry in my school. And yeah, it's just weird. And then that got sold. The doorbell's ringing. I think you guys heard that. But yeah, Henry. Anyways, let's just unbox the Henry then. Don't know why I had tape on it. I mean, I got this from Amazon UK. Also, I got this tripod from Amazon UK, which I'm currently not doing on. Hey guys, I'm back. So, yeah, that was just a little interruption. So this one says dust vacuum. Anyways, so this one says vacuum attachment, which is the floor head tool, and crevice tool for those hard to reach areas. Well, that's that. You get these in most upright hoovers, cylinders, you know, all those. And then wheels for ease movement. There we go. Yeah, you just get the wheels for like the movement, so it's much easier to carry Henry. Okay, then. Oh crap! I heard some of the tools fall over. See, this thing's from Amazon UK, so they always do the best packaging. Anyways, what does it even smell like? It smells like one of those gift things. Don't know why that does. Anyways, the box is over there. Let's open Henry. Someone just went in the toilet. Sorry about that. Always okay. Someone's trying to close my door here. That's a bit creepy because I don't see anyone. Okay, let me just. God, I hate doing this. I'm using my feet on Henry's nose. Oh, crappy hell. Sorry about this. Let me just... Hopefully I'm doing this right. Oh, come on, you stupid dumb thing. That's why I don't want this. There we go. I got this off. Alright, guys. So, I got this hat off. I got this, like, motor unit off. That's where the motor is. Oh, yeah, there's also a filter there. Okay, then you get a instruction telling you to put batteries in. Why can't they just put the batteries in here on the little battery compartment? Stick. It looks like a little PVC in black colour. Then you get the hose. You know what also, I used this like actually I was doing it, I used it once for like sucking like that, and I accidentally sucked up some blue tack, and I do not know why, but please don't do that at home, guys, please don't. That's so squeaky, it's so squeaky. It might make you go deaf. Holy crap! That's why I always like these Henrys, because of this. Okay, now it's full of spit. Sorry about that, guys. That gave me a huge headache, but I'm just going to continue with the thing. So let me just connect all of this together, and yeah, guys, I'll be right back. Hey guys, I am back. So, hope you guys are seeing this. I thought you first connect the PVC, and I think, yeah, that's that. I thought you first connected this PVC pipe in the black color, but no, you don't. I just remembered, because I didn't use these things for a very long time, you actually connect these little curved ends like that. I love these pneumatic, you know. They're like miniature Henry the Hoovers. Henry. Oh yeah, Mr. Henry. You know? Anyways, oh, so much blood. Oh my god. So much blood at the back of my head. Feels like it's gonna explode right now. Because I just blew in that little pipe, in this little pipe. Does that smell like my spit? it doesn't, but it kind of does, but hopefully the Hoover doesn't suck of it. So, I did everything else to connect the floor head, and this Hoover is set on the box. So, it comes with a little, like, with like a little crevice tool. I love these crevice tools, they're so good. You could just use them in, like, little, like, areas like this, for example. You could just do that. Or, in between the sofas, but this thing is made for a keyboard. Well, you're going to have it on your desktop, so, yeah, have fun with the desktop. But have fun with the glue that's there with your desktop. So, the best way is you tip Henry this way, if you want to do a video, and then if you're trying to connect this hose on him, showing the viewers. If you don't have a tripod, you could do it this way. If you do, put your thing on the tripod, whatever the hell it is. If it's like an Apple iPhone or something, just put it on the tripod. Why is Henry missing? Look, he doesn't want this to fit in his nose, man. Weird EF. Okay, I'm just losing all my 1 gigabyte recording. Okay, now it's gonna fit. Yes, it fitted, guys, but hardly even fitted. These are going even deeper in Henry. I mean, Henry does not want to lose these things anymore, so yeah, that hardly even worked because this was a brand new hose kit, and you know, so let me just fix this. If this thing just had like a real pneumatic vacuum cleaner motor, like any pneumatic Hoover, pneumatic Hetty, especially pneumatic Henry, there's so many generations of him. That he's like the main one of pneumatics. So I don't know why they choose him. He's the only color he comes in is just red. He comes in other colors, but like blue and yellow and all. But still, you also get him in green, which is like a pneumatic Harry or something. Or before, yeah. Anyways, I'll be right back. And I also forgot to mention another thing. He also has a carry handle, which my previous Henry didn't have a carry handle because shit. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, yeah, I accidentally dropped it on the floor. It just let it go. But thankfully, this carry handle bit didn't like come off. I could still like hold it like that with just one finger. I could still hold it, and the motor's in there, so hopefully the motor still spins fine. It doesn't use carbon. It's one of those DC motors I've seen. It has a little like fan bit in there. You could probably see, you could hardly see, but in real life I could literally see the fan. So yeah, I tried turning it on, and I hear nothing. So it's probably, I don't know what it is. I probably need some batteries. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So I just bought a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and I bought two, well, just this used battery pack. So I'm going to get the battery pack first. The brand new Sony batteries, fancy Sony ones, as you can see right there. And the only thing that the trouble causes with the batteries is it says it may explode if you like put it in water, well, not really water, but if you like probably like burn it or something. So yeah. Anyways, I don't know if I could do this with one hand. I might need another helper like Dan. I mean, he doesn't really want to hold the camera, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, you turn the screwdriver this way, like this way to unscrew, and then to screw, you turn it this way like that. Okay, I already know, so no one has to teach me how to do the screwdriver job. So all you do is do this. See, I am unscrewing the screw. You can't really see it clearly on here because it's a very old Samsung device. It's something actually Tab 3. It's in the white color. It's not in the black color. Anyways, I did get the screw off. You can see right there. And I'm gonna keep that magnetized just in case I don't lose it. But then you pull the battery cover off. If you don't see any batteries, get the battery string. Oh god, oh please, oh freaking hell, it needs freaking 3 batteries. Okay, I'm speaking like a robot, like Siri or something.